Hey, hello guys. Greetings. Welcome back to my channel CBRockzz. So today I would like to cover a topic in ServiceNow which is called UI Builder. So in this I would like to tell now how to add or create a report in Workspace Pages. As you know guys, like many people are asking me questions on this related to how to add a report to the UI Builder page which is used in Workspace, or how to add any specific component. So it was pretty simple. I'll show you how we can do it. So I'll walk you through the instance, and I'll let you know how we can configure that in a simple steps. So now I'll navigate to my instance. So this is my PDI instance which I'm using right now. So this instance is in the Xenado version. So look and feel will be a bit different, as you guys know. So now randomly I'll take one workspace from the existing out of the box functionality. Okay. So let's say I would like to configure something in asset workspace. So hardware asset or is out of the box workspace, and you can see here this is the ID. So here now we'll try to add a report in between important actions and quick links, where it should show the active incidents, and it should be grouped by some priority or something. So let's do, and let's see how we can configure that quickly. So as you know, all these pages are configured in UI Builder. Let me go to all and search for UI Builder. So this UI Builder module is under Now Experience Framework module. So once you click on the UI Builder, it will navigate to the specific page where you can search here with your specific workspace name. It will be pretty simple. So here I'm able to see the asset workspace. So let me see what the page loads here. Yeah, so here I can see this is the home page which they are using here in this specific hardware asset or you workspace. So let's see how we can configure that report here. So now I'll just click on this specific row which is getting highlighted here at, like for example, if you want to do any changes to this name or something, it will be highlighted here. It will be just shown here, and we can do the configuration on the right side, extreme right here, right? We can update the labels and etc. So in the same way, we'll add one simple report here below this. So when I just click on this component, I can see some plus icon here. So when I click on this plus, I'll get multiple options here. Here I can add some external links, I can add some buttons, I can add some breadcrumbs, and also I can add some attachment functionality where they can add some attachments. So Service now has given lots of options like this here to us. So, and also if you want to add this specific component in any specific layout here, like if you want this spread this layout into single column or couple of columns, we can do it. So for now I'll just make it very simple. I'll just make it as a single column, and under this column I'll add the component. So let me click on the add component here. So as we discussed already, I'll just try to add a simple report here. So let's say I'll go with list simple. So I can see it got added here, and let me change the name of this component quickly as all active tickets, and let me click on apply. So now as we know, we are trying to get the report of incidents which are active. I'm just filling the table name as incident, and I'll click on edit fixed filter. So since we are going to show only active tickets, I'll just take this filter as active equal to true. But guys, based on your requirement, you can just update whatever filter you want, and you can just click on apply. So when you are seeing some data here, right here, so whenever you're updating here, you can see the data here, which is getting kind of reflected here. So here, if I want to show specific number of records on load, I can just update here. So in the same way, if I want to group by something, I can update here, and If you want to change the title, if you want to hide the header, we have all these options here. ServiceNow has made our work pretty simple with help of this configuration. So I want this title to be as all active incidents. So I'm updating here and let me save it. And let's see how that reflects here. Yeah, so now let's see the same thing in this workspace. Yeah, see, we got all these things right. Whatever we have given the header name as all active tickets and whatever fields found. So now we want to show some specific columns here. So we have some configuration on top here for adding default display. You can see this default display, right? So under this we had some add option. So if you just type what are fields, what are columns we want to show here, right? So I'll just select here and click on OK. So let's say I'm going to show short description also along with the number, and let me add priority too. So let me save it and see. And also you can see what are the changes we are doing here. It will reflect here, and if you want to see, we have an option to preview. Even we can do it. So it will show the data, how it will be visible and all. So as we know already, we have added number, short description, and priority. So we are just showcasing this. So here, if you want to show any data based on group by priority or something, even we can do that configuration. So let's close this preview and let's see, is there any option for that? So here, yeah, we have an option for group by. So let's say I want to see the tickets based on priority. So I can just simply go to this and I can just select priority and I'll click on save. So we'll see the view how this comes. Yeah, awesome. So let me see this by just refreshing the page. So guys, if you are seeing this one, right? So we have just added an extra report for the customers here within a short time. So ServiceNow has made our work pretty easy by adding multiple options and by giving several options to make changes to this. So try to stick with out of the box functionalities and make use of most of the things which ServiceNow was releasing. So as part of Xanadu release, I can see many more options we got related to AI. So I'll cover those in our future videos. But for now, if you want any videos regarding any topic or something, you can DM me or you can update that in the comments. So I'll create them in the next videos. So guys, hope this video was helpful, and it will be very good if you just provide me some feedback on this. And yeah, I'll just cover a few more options whatever we have now. So as we discussed, right, it was very easy to add some components. So I'll show some basic components like agent, resistant, activity stream, which we'll see in the normal workspace form, right? So even all these things are configurable. So hope you guys can go through all these components. I can't cover all these components in this video, so I just gone with some simple report. And in this way, you can add whatever you want and make your work easy. Okay, guys, thank you for watching and have a great day. Thank you.